Demographics report in LinkedIn ads. Now, demographic reports in LinkedIn ads are a great way to understand whether you are hitting your right prospects or not, or whether, let's say, is there something that you need to exclude from your targeting or not. Now, you can get that as a CSV file, or you can also view that as in the ad manager. So you can see whether you are hitting the right job functions or not, or whether, let's say, is there anything in job functions that you want to exclude or not. Similarly, you can look at the job titles that you are targeting, see if there are certain job titles which you don't want to target and put them under exclusion category. But you need to understand LinkedIn has this concept of super job titles where similar job titles are clubbed under one umbrella. So let's say if you just want to target vice president of marketing and you see marketing manager here and you exclude marketing manager, then it's possible that other similar job titles might also be excluded. So I normally don't recommend excluding by job titles. Similarly, you can look at the companies that you are targeting here. So again, if you see that any company has taken more impressions, then you can put a frequency cap on that thing. Let's say any company which have received more than 50 impressions in last 30 days, you can put them under the exclusion category through the companies tab, which we have discussed in other videos. Similarly, you can look at the industries that you are targeting. Similarly, you can look at what kind of job seniorities you are targeting and see if these are the right kind of people you want to reach out to. Apart from and location, countries, mostly like you define that in the ad manager, so there is nothing much there. So yeah, you can look at the demographics report and see whether your ads are on the right track or not, whether the right companies, the right job titles, let's say job functions are receiving your impressions, or let's say people who are receiving these are not exactly your ideal customer profile, and then you can put them under exclusion category. So it is similar to the negative keywords that you have in Google Ads, where you keep on adding negative keywords based on the search term reports. So similarly, here also, like based on the demographic reports, you can keep on optimizing your campaign and put people under exclusion category if they do not fit your ideal customer profile. Thanks so much.